Phil Anderson, and I'm running for United States Senate. And I've got a question for you. What is the purpose of political parties? Why do they even exist? It used to be that a political party was sort of a collection of issues or a philosophy that informed the candidates and the people that supported the party, so that when you were voting for a party, you kind of knew what it was all about, that there was a central theme or a purpose or some idea behind it. But if you look at today's Democrat and Republican parties, there's such a wide collection of positions on issues within those parties, they've become pretty much nonsensical. The Democrat Party can have anything from being warlike to peaceful, any manner of different positions on issues. The Republican Party is full of people that are for bigger government, smaller government, at least they say they're for smaller government. The one thing that they do have in common, though, is they all seem to be accomplishing the same thing, and that is the increasing encroachment of government upon our civil liberties and our rights and our money. So I think that's the one conclusion you can draw, is that regardless of Democrat, Republican, whatever those parties used to mean, what they really mean is bigger government for everybody. And so when you're looking at somebody running as a Democrat or running as a Republican, even though they might have dissenting views from other people in their party on certain issues, they're supporting this idea, this growing government, this monolithic institution that's fed by campaign donors, and then in turn is fed to campaign donors by political favors and economic cronyism. So please look closely at your candidates in all the elections that you'll be voting on next November. Even though they might seem like they're different from the pack, they're part of the pack. Otherwise, there'd be no need to belong to the political party in the first place, right? If there's somebody who was so independent-minded, they should run as an independent. There's no reason not to anymore. Except for the fact that all the money, a lot of the money, flows from those big parties in the first place. And that is the central issue here. People run as a Democrat or Republican to have access to money so that they can run ads, so they can reach you, and so they can craft the message that you hear. So don't be fooled. Don't be taken in. Look hard at people that have D or R after their name. Look at what their true motivations are. And I think that you'll discover that those of us who are running as libertarians and independents truly represent you, because we're really one of you, not propping up, not subscribing to, not getting donations from, and returning political favors to a party organization that's not about you. It's about its own survival. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow night.